Hey content creators, we know your channel is more than just a place to share videos. It's your passion, your story, your brand. It's a powerful way to inspire, educate, and connect with others.
I started my channel to share my journey and help others facing similar struggles.
For me, it's about creating beautiful content that resonates and inspires.
This is my dream job, and it's given me financial and emotional freedom.
Introducing Bitdefender Security for creators, the ultimate cybersecurity solution designed just for you. We understand your greatest fear is losing access to your accounts. Let's keep your channel safe from hackers and fake sponsors. Setting up Bitdefender is quick and easy. Step 1. Activate Bitdefender by following the instructions in the confirmation email. Step 2. Connect your YouTube account to Bitdefender. We'll monitor for unusual activity 24/7. Just one more step. Download and install Bitdefender to protect everything on your phone and computer, not just your YouTube channel. We secure your logins, public Wi-Fi, and even flag annoying fake sponsors' emails. Available for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. With Bitdefender, you'll get ongoing checks to detect potential threats, step-by-step account recovery guides, scam guard for suspicious emails, device protection, personalized security tips, team protection, and live reports. Focus on creating amazing content. Let Bitdefender handle your cybersecurity.